Welcome back to the HirePOS Fundamentals Video Series. In this video, we're going to look at the different ways you can receive payments in HirePOS, starting with a simple payment against a single invoice, and then moving on to payments that cover multiple invoices for the same customer. Let's begin by opening an unpaid invoice. From the main menu, we will go to Sales and Hire, find Sales and Hire. We will find and open an existing unpaid invoice that we want to work with and scroll to the bottom of the screen. Here, we'll click Payment. HirePOS automatically fills in the outstanding balance as the payment amount. You can adjust this if needed, but in this example, we'll leave it as is. Next, choose the payment method. The options are cash, check, HirePOS, and online. For this example, let's assume the customer is paying cash over the counter. At the bottom of the screen, we also need to choose the account the money is going into. Here, we'll select Till. Once that's done, click Save. This creates a new payment record in HirePOS, and the invoice is now marked as fully paid, with no balance owing. Now, receiving payments doesn't always happen one invoice at a time. In some cases, you might receive a single payment from a customer that needs to be applied across multiple unpaid invoices. To handle this, go to Payments in the main menu and select Receive Payments. For this example, we've created a customer called Construction Co. with several unpaid invoices. You'll see the customer listed here, along with their total amount owing. Click on the customer's name and enter the amount received. Let's imagine we've just seen a $500 payment arrive in our bank account. As soon as we enter that amount, HirePOS applies the payment across the customer's invoices, paying older invoices first and partially paying the next one if needed. In this case, 2 invoices are paid in full and 1 invoice is left with a remaining balance. Click Save and then return to Sales and Hire, find Sales and Hire, and you'll see exactly that. 2 fully paid invoices and 1 partially outstanding invoice reflecting the remaining balance. If you ever want to review payments that have already been recorded, you can go to Payments, Find Payments. This screen lists every individual payment that's been entered into the system. It's also worth noting that if an invoice is paid online by a customer, for example, by credit card at link.hirepos.com, the payment is recorded automatically and no manual entry is required. HirePOS also offers bank feeds, which allow you to connect your bank account directly to the system. This lets HirePOS pull in bank statement lines so you can quickly match incoming payments to invoices. If you're using an external accounting platform like Xero or MYOB, you can export invoices from HirePOS to those systems and handle payment reconciliation there instead. These systems allow bank feed lines and payment records to be imported back to HirePOS to prevent double handling. That covers the main ways to receive and manage payments in HirePOS. Thanks for watching. You can always get more help and info at help.hirepos.com. See you in the next video.